Can you believe it's already 2026? 大家好 welcome to my channel, Real Talk, Real Mandarin. 我是佩佩。If you are still trying to learn Chinese by grinding through endless vocabulary lists or feeling guilty every day about not studying enough, just stop. 这种方法真的很低效。I've spent the last year analyzing, in this world with advanced AI, abundant learning resources, easy travel to China, what is the smartest way to learn this language? Why do so many learners still struggle? After I observed my students and other self-learners, I believe it usually comes down to two things. You are either using inefficient methods, or you are treating Chinese as a task or even a chore to be finished. So in 2026, it's about turning it into a 生活方式 lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to share my updated Chinese learning roadmap, from actively mimicking to using AI as your personal content designer. This is how you stop studying and start living the language. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about method. I often hear, find something you are interested in, like C-dramas. But here is the trap. Watching is not learning. If you just lie on the couch and watch 虚我耀眼 for 3 hours, that's entertainment, not studying. In 2026, we switch from passive consumption to active mimicking. Here is the routine I suggest. When hearing a line you find useful or just simply a line you love, pause. You can do it when you watch the same episode the second time or third time. 第一步，停下来，这也是最难的一步。第二步，把你觉得有用的对话记下来，然后标记声调、语调还有语气。第三步，录音，把你自己的声音录下来，然后跟原声对比。You are not just a viewer, you are an actor. You need to mimic the sound and the tone of the character.
你这个大油头，
你这个大油头，
万年不变。
万年不变。
这个西服，
这个西服，
半永久3件套。
半永久3件套。
怎么了？
怎么了？
你是床上用品吗？
你是床上用品吗？
还有眼镜啊！
还有眼镜啊！
你近视吗？
你近视吗？
你每天戴着干什么？
你每天戴着干什么？
装什么？
装什么？
装什么老前锋？
装什么老前锋？ I know analyzing everything by yourself takes a lot of time and energy. That's actually why I created the structured Learn Chinese through C-dramas course. I picked the best clips and broken down the vocabulary and grammar for you. If you want to save time, check the link below. But even if you do it yourself, the key is consistency. And if you prefer reading, don't read 10 articles a day. 少即是多。每周选一篇你真正感兴趣的文章或者新闻，然后做精读 intensive reading. Dig deep, understand every word, every structure. The ultimate goal isn't to finish a task and check a box. You need to turn learning Chinese into a habit. 不要把它当成任务，把它变成你的生活方式。Now, what should you learn? Many people go to extremes. Only textbooks or only random social media short videos. Both are wrong. For 2026, I proposed the 30 to 70 golden ratio. 30% is your staple food. This is your anchor. 你需要一个系统. Whether it's a textbook or a course, stick to one. It gives you the skeleton of the language. 不要贪多，一本教材或者一个课程就够。它是你的骨架。But the remaining 70%, that must be real input. Textbook Chinese is clean but sterile. While 真实语料 is messy, fast, but alive. 去听中国人的真实聊天，看我们怎么开玩笑，怎么用流行语，怎么讨论严肃的事情。That 70% immersion is what bridges the gap to fluency. So we focus on high-quality learning material per week, but how do you study the same thing for 7 days without getting bored? This is where AI becomes your content multiplier. Don't just translate. Ask AI to custom design a week's practice based on this single text. Day 1 and 2, Focus on vocabulary. 把文章喂给 AI， 让它生成填空题和造句练习。You are testing yourself on context, not just memorizing lists. Day 3 and 4 change the context. This is a game changer. If the news is too formal, 让 AI 把它改写成朋友间的对话。看，同样的内容变成了完全不同的口语表达。Day 5 and 6 output. Don't just read. Debate with the AI. 用这周学的内容去回答 AI 的问题。这不是死记硬背，这是在使用新的知识。So you've spent the 6 days with this material, you've role-played with AI. Now comes day 7. You need to leave the AI sandbox and talk to a real human. 除了你这周做了什么，你下周打算做什么，这些问了太多遍的问题， take the topic you just mastered and discuss it with your tutor, language partner, or friend. Because you are prepared, you know what to say, so you won't be nervous. 你已经准备好了词汇和观点，这个时候你是在用中文交流思想。AI can correct your grammar, your vocabulary, but it cannot give you the laughter, the awkward pauses, and the human connection. With visa-free travel, coming to China is easier than ever. 语言只是桥梁，人才是目的地。That feeling when you connect, that is worth more than any HSK certificate. So that's the plan. Active method, 30 to 70 materials, AI multipliers, and real connection. To help you start, I put together a free PDF. It includes the exact AI prompts I showed you and a weekly schedule template. Link is in the description below. One last question. 2026年，你最想去哪个中国城市？为什么？ Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Alright? 我希望这个视频能给大家一些启发。Real talk, real Mandarin. 我是佩佩。I will see you in the next video. 下个视频见。